In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for drawing. If you've ever tried to create a custom sketch, add hand-drawn notes to a design, or build a simple visual mockup inside Canva, you already know that using only shapes and pre-made graphics can feel limiting. The good news is that Canva includes built-in drawing tools, so you can sketch directly inside your project without switching to another app. In this guide, I'll walk you through how to open your design, access the drawing tools, customize your brush, draw on the canvas, adjust your artwork, and export the finished file clearly and cleanly. To begin, open Canva and load the project you want to work on. From your homepage, look through your recent designs and open the whiteboard, presentation, flyer, or any other file where you want to draw. This brings you into the main editing workspace, which is where all of your drawing and design adjustments will happen. Once the project is open, move over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Canva keeps its main tools and features. Find the option labeled Draw, marked with a pen or marker icon, and click it once. That opens Canva's drawing panel and gives you access to the freehand sketching tools. Inside that panel, you'll see different tool options, including pen, marker, highlighter, and eraser. Choose the one that best matches the style you want. If you click the selected tool again, Canva will show more settings for that brush. Here, you can pick a color, adjust the line weight to make strokes thinner or thicker, and change the transparency for a softer or bolder effect. It's a good idea to test a few settings so your drawing matches the style of the rest of your design. Now you're ready to draw. Move your cursor onto the canvas and click and drag to sketch if you're on a desktop. If you're using a tablet or touchscreen, just use your stylus or finger. As you draw, Canva will create smooth strokes directly on the page, making it easy to add free-form lines, annotations, or illustrations. After you finish drawing, go back to the top of the drawing panel and select the pointer tool. Then click on one of your drawn elements. You'll see adjustment handles appear around it. From here, you can resize the drawing, rotate it, and reposition it. You can also use the position option in the top toolbar to move your drawing in front of or behind text and images, which helps organize your layout. Before exporting,